In today's video, I'll teach you how to delete Twitch account. So first of all, open the Twitch application on your device. You can see over here Twitch application has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the home interface. So what you have to do is tap on the channel option that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to your channel. You'll be able to see your profile over here. Tap on the gear icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, you'll be able to find various options over here. What you have to do is find this option for account and tap on it. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see various options related with your account over here. Tap on this option, permanently delete account, that you can see at last. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see the information regarding the deletion of the account over here. Basically, all of your Twitch data will be deleted. You'll be able to see the account to delete over here. You can specify the reason if you want. It is completely optional. Simply tap on this option, delete account, that you can see on the screen. Now in order to confirm the deletion, you'll have to enter your password. Tap on the field of password. Now enter your Twitch password over here. After that, tap on the next option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be logged out of your account and your account has been scheduled for the deletion. Within the 90 days of the request, your account will be deleted. So like this, you'll be able to delete the Twitch account. So that is how you delete Twitch account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.